Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're kicking off this Monday, not too much in the way of fundamental news today, so we'll just look on some of the big market movers and potential opportunities in the market today. We're going to start on gold like we usually do on Monday because it's been so volatile in the last few weeks, not only from the sell-off that we saw from its record high just below 2,800, but week after week we've been seeing record high after record high, but it has changed its tune quite a bit, especially since Donald Trump has been elected as the next president for the next 4 years starting in January. So just marked out here that 2,500 was our next firm support. Don't forget that we just traded just below 2,540, which is quite significant because there was such a big drop, if over $100, nearly $200 in that sense. But since then we've had this tiny uptick in price action and now we're trading closer to 2,600. And if we look on the RSI, we were venturing into the oversold area. So it was natural that we were going to see a slight bounce in price action. However, how much will that bounce be and how long will it go for? We'll have to wait and see. But a lot of economists are hopeful that we are still in a slight bull market at the moment. If we look on the 4-hour chart as well, it kind of has more of a bearing because we're seeing now that price action, if I just zoom in, is just testing that particular area. So if we do get this kind of movement and a break, usually $20 to $30 increments that we go up or down. So this will be the next movement here, and that is quite a confluence of this particular last slight consolidation area here. So price action is bound to consolidate, and then we'll see if we have another move higher or lower. But lots to take in with gold. Very, very easy to see that price action could actually go either way. So very, very exciting as well in the last few weeks, and we'll see what Donald Trump has to say in the next 4 years and the direction of gold and dollar. Speaking of the dollar, we'll just look on the index at the moment because price actions really started to move a bit higher as well, and we've seen that a slight consolidation now after just hitting high after high, and we're just seeing now that, as you can see here, we haven't really seen these levels for quite some time. If we go back actually on the weekly charts, which will be quite better to see, as you can see here, we are now in the movement of this next double top here. So we didn't see these prices since October of 23, so the back end of last year. If we do break that roughly around the mid 107 area to 108 top, we will be going on to when we had this big movement in the dollar market and we went right up to $115. So that'll be quite significant on the index. At the moment though, we're just waiting to see if this particular resistance area will be broken, and then obviously the dollar can continue to flourish. But it has been flourishing the last few weeks, especially against its main competitors, the dollar yen, pound, the cable, the loonie and the euro dollar currency pairs really taking a hit in favor of the dollar as well. So keep an eye on that, and as usual we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.